Today's problem is, look at this, a voltage source in series with resistor R, then there is another parallel RLC is there. This is parallel RLC in series with resistor and voltage source. Find quality factor of complete circuit and comment on resonant frequency and bandwidth. That is the question. If this resistor R is not there, what is the quality factor? Direct formula, quality factor of parallel RLC. So we know this, that is R by omega naught L. If all are in series, omega naught L by R. So we know this formula. But here extra resistor is connected. Because of this, what is the overall quality factor? That is the question. So easily we can do it using source transformation. This voltage source series with resistor convert into a current source. This is using source transformation. So V by R is the current value. This resistance as it is parallel, and other RLC as it is I have drawn. This RLC same, and this will be connected in parallel, then rotated and drawn like this. Then these two resistors are parallel. You can simplify. RR parallel means R by 2, current source as it is V by R, and LC as it is. Now it is looking like a parallel RLC. Now we have to find the quality factor of overall circuit. What is the formula? This resistance by R by 2 by omega naught L. This is nothing but 1 by 2 R by omega naught L. What is R by omega naught L is only parallel, this parallel. That you can call it as Q naught. Q naught means quality factor at resonance. So overall quality factor is reduced to half because of this resistance. Next, what happens to resonant frequency? Resonant frequency formula is 1 by root LC. L and C not disturbed, so omega naught remain same. So any resistance series or parallel, resonant frequency will not change. Next, we know the formula quality factor equal to omega naught by bandwidth. We know this formula. So overall quality factor QT equal to omega naught by overall bandwidth, total circuit bandwidth. So total circuit bandwidth is equal to omega naught by QT. Omega naught as it is, but what is QT is Q naught by 2. So 2 will come here. What is omega naught by Q naught is bandwidth of parallel RLC. So overall overall bandwidth is double comparing with the bandwidth of this. So bandwidth of this is BW naught. Bandwidth of total circuit is double of this. So what is the conclusion? Bandwidth is double, quality factor is reduced to half, resonant frequency remain same. So these are the effects because of this resistor which is connected in series with parallel circuit. Thank you.